Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Sephora credit card online account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and what you have to do is enter this link d.community.net/ec/Sephora /public/home. If you do not want to enter this link, you can simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in Sephora credit card login, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is click on the link provided by the Bread Financial. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface over here you'll be able to find the option for sign in. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password over here. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option register now and register for the account. Otherwise, simply enter your username. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. If you have forgotten your username, click on this option forget username or password and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, simply enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget username or password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Sephora credit card online account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.